Hello everyone, I'm Aniket and today I have an unboxing for you guys. So let's begin. So this is the package of Amazon and this is pretty durable and I have just received it like 5 minutes ago. Right now the time is 2:35 and I've received it just in 2:30. That is just 5 minutes, so let's cut it out. So I'm really excited for this. Oh, it's so hard to cut. Okay. Yes. Okay, it has been opened. Let's see. Oh, here it is. Here it is. So we have got some foam. We have got this. I think it's the. Oh, we have got the invoice, and this is the cube. Oh, what? Oh, it doesn't come in a box. It just comes in this plastic wrapping, I guess. Okay, good. So now let's unbox this cube. Okay, let's cut it out. Oh, here's a little pamphlet. I will just cut that out. Okay, this is the pamphlet. Let's see this pamphlet. Okay, really small pamphlet. This is the Mofangi 3x3x3 cube tutorial. That is a Qiyi Thunderclap, and I was planning on getting a black version of this, but that went out of stock. And the last moment, I was just booking it, and that time it went out of stock, and so I had to buy this one. So now it's here. Let's see what is written. To my name, Aniket Ball. This is my address. This is my name, Aniket Ball, and address. Okay. Oh, so guys, sorry about that. My friend just called me. He was annoying me very much, so I just confronted him. I just told him not to call me. It was disturbing my video. You can just hear the ringtone of the phone over there. So yeah. Now this is pretty good packaging, but I really wanted the black one. So yeah, I'm kind of disappointed, but okay, let's get into it. By the way, the white is not that bad. It's just I don't like it that much. I already have a white one, but this is a little bit bigger. This is a little smaller. Just see this. Yeah, it's a little smaller. This is a little bigger. And this is the sail, and this is the thunderclap. So it has much more good performance than this one. So yeah, let's open it. I think I have to cut it out. Oh, such a hard packaging. So much packaging is given in there. Okay, let's see the cube. This is a Qiyi cube. Wow, this is so silent. If you, this is a little bit bigger, this is a little smaller. See the difference? Yeah. So it is, oh sorry guys, this is so catching up. Oh, did I break it? Oh sorry. But this is absolutely smooth. It is a little bit dry though, so I will just lubricate it a little bit. Yeah, pretty good. Let's keep them aside. Now here is my lubricant. Let's lubricate it. Okay, so now one drop in here. Okay, another drop in here, then another drop in here, and the last another drop in here. Okay, so let's put aside. Oh, let's do an algorithm. This is so good. It is a far lot better than this one. They look both the same, almost the same, but they are of different model. They are different. They are totally different. It weighs relatively very light than this. It is 105 grams, which is a very heavy cube, and this is just 87 grams. I have tested it. This is just 87 grams. It is very good. Very good. I really like it. Let's see the corner twisting. Okay, that is good too. I really like that. Let's see the corner cutting. Oh, just see. Oh, what? This is so good. What? I can't believe the corner cutting is so good. See guys, this is more than 45 degree and it is cutting. Well, the reverse cutting is not that good, but wow, I really like it. I really like this. This is so good. So good. Okay. Damn good. Very good. So now let's do a solve on this. Okay, so now I will just do a pause or a transition of the video, anything you can say to to solve it. You know, I haven't done speed solving for quite a long time now. So yeah, I'm just pausing in 3, 2, 1. So guys, done. This is so good. I really like this. And this is very good. I really like this. This is the Agami Qiyi Thunderclap white. I'm very sad I couldn't get the black one. Let's see. Yes, this is the, as you can see, Agami retail. From here is the Noida or Agami retail. Shipped from Agami retail. Okay. This is the Amazon.in written. Good. Who need those? Bye bye. Okay. This is very good. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.